I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I finally got my BoxyLuxe. It is huge this time, like normal. I'm so excited to see what I got in here because there are so many different things that I got distracted by my phone. There are so many things in here that you can get this time, and I have no clue what I got. So, a little hello charmer. I moved my phone again, it's in the way. Wow, it looks like a lot of crazy stuff. So this is the card. This all the stuff. I'm gonna set it here. I got a dry shampoo. Sorry, I'm reading things. Okay, so the first thing in here is a daily hair wrap towel for a quick, dry, and smooth experience. So it's an anti-frizz towel, easy to use, hands-free drying. I'll have to try this out and see if it helps dry my hair because I have some thick, long hair. And it is a pain in the butt to get dry. So I will definitely have to try this out. This is $18 to purchase. So that is the first thing we got. The second thing is from Ciate London. And this is a confetti highlighter. Look at this packaging, it's so cute. And then this is what it looks like. And it is in the color, oh, confetti. Oh, it's so pretty, look at that. Isn't that cute? How fun. There's like so many colors in there. That might be a little dark for me. But this retails for $32. Be like really blended maybe. So that is that. Next I see a Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquid Metallic Lipstick in You Better Work. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Look at that baby. So pretty. It smells like candy. That's a pretty color. I like it. I actually loved these when I first started like really getting into makeup, like the more extreme parts of doing makeup, and I owned like so many of these. I still have them, but they're probably not that great anymore because it's been a while, so yeah. Okie dokie, so this is Lip Line Corrector. It's a lip serum. Oh, so this just like pops out. This is a lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. So I was reading the first one and it's in a different language. I was like, what the hell am I reading? Okay, next is from Fresh. It's a soy face cleanser for all skin types. Oh wait, this and this. I'm not even telling you how much these are. This one is $21 and this is $200. Jeez Louise, this is $200. That's crazy. This is $48. I'm like, I can't weed apparently. Look at how big this baby is. Oh good, it's closed. I always like to check these to see if I can smell them or if they're sealed tight. So $48 for this skin cleanser. Next in this box is this first, oh, this is the dry shampoo. I was hoping that I was gonna get this because I wash my hair like once a week. So this is $27. I'm so excited to get this. It is huge. I'm starting to run out of the one I use anyways, and it's tiny, so this will be awesome to have. I'm so excited about it. Next, if I could get it out, is Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And this is $39. And it's so cute. Look at the top. It's like so beautiful. Oh, it's super jelly-like. And it smells like really nothing. So that is nice. I really like this packaging. It's like super cute. And I love the little drops. There's even a little one on the front. Like, look at that thing. That is adorable. I like it. There's a lot of skincare in this one. The next product is $36. Oh, and this is a fragrance beach air dry oil spray. Okay, I'm like, what the hell is this? So that is what this is. Oh no, it smells on that. Let's open her up. It smells real refreshing. And then it came in this little like thing, this bag. Like, keep it safe from leaking. So that is that. And this is what I was super excited for. The last thing in here is this Storybook Cosmetics. It's Once Upon a Time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales and they all live happily ever after. So that's the front of it.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
This is the inside of it. Look at these colors. Oh my goodness, and this palette is so thick, it's legit a book. Look how cute they all are. Oh my gosh, I love it. I cannot wait to use this. Holy crap, it's huge. I like how it literally does look like a book. And then this says, life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale on the line of the mirror. Oh, I can't wait to use this thing. These colors. Look at that blue. That is so dreamy. And this is this color. This color. Oh, I can't wait to use this thing. This is so cute. Alright, this is $55. This box has a lot of stuff. Let's see, we got 1, 2, we got 3 cosmetic items. We got 1, I don't know if I can hold this out, 2, 3 face products, and 3 hair products. Okay. Let's see what this value of this box is. I can't hold on this stuff. It's too much. Too much. Okay, let's get our handy dandy card out in the cell phone.
55 plus 89 plus 32 plus 48 plus 21 plus 27 plus 36 plus 200 plus 18 equals
A whopping $4.76. That's actually pretty good. For 50 bucks, that's literally over a $400 value. I will definitely take it. Hello, Christmas. But yeah, so that is everything that I got in my BoxyCharm. I was so excited to get the storybook. I know that in the Luxe that it was like only that one. In the Charm, there was like 2 different ones you could get. There's like so many different options you could get in this box. It was a little crazy. But yeah, so that is everything I got in mine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!
That's what Christmas is all about. I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.